Hello? Can you guys hear me? Is anybody there? I've thought about this over and over and over again, and I don't really know how to tell you guys this, but I pee my pants easily, so I gotta be careful. Anyways, I'll explain that later. My life has changed dramatically. Dramatically, to put it quite simply. Not dramatically simply. It's simply dramatic! Does that make sense? Have you guys ever read a book with one chapter in it? Probably not. That's what I was starting to feel like my YouTube channel was. A book with one chapter. And I want you guys to see a book with many chapters. Well, I started to think it was stingy of me to not share a little bit more of my life and who I am, what I'm about, my everyday life, my family. So this channel is getting a makeover. Stat. I'm gonna open up the floodgates. So now you guys are probably asking yourself, what is she talking about? And what has changed? What's such a big deal? What's so dramatic? Here we go. Roll 'em! Yay!
In the face and the camera with a freaking snow bomb. Jeez.
See how angry she gets?
Angry.
Say anything.
Maple pecan latte, which
Buckhorn?
pecan.
Is it pecan or buckhorn?
That's my Starbucks doll. Ma'am.
Hey. You're pretty cute. I'm just saying. To grandfather's house we go.
She picked it off the same rack I did.
Should I go in the haunted house? Yeah, you should. I'll go with you. No.
Girl, where are we going?
Look at you. Looking like a little lumberjack.
Okay.
Whoa.
Go on. You want to peel those off? You want to peel those off? You want to peel those caterpillars off? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Get a baby.
Make me look like Kermit. Hey, let her do it.
Let me do. All right, baby, I'll help you.
No. Bro.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you peed your pants a little bit, maybe laughed some, maybe went, oh, babies are so cute. Recently, I have been doing a little soul searching, asking myself, why? Why am I doing what I'm doing? What do I have to offer here to you all on YouTube? So the clips you just saw are my why. That is why I wake up every day. That is what makes me happy. That's what fills me full of life. Those are some of the chapters of the book that I'm talking about. And the book is not yet fully written. We got a lot of chapters to go, and That's what I so look forward to with you guys sharing with us together. Because we're all on this journey together. So you guys are probably wondering when this is happening. When is all this greatness dropping? So starting July 2nd, we will be dropping our first video and also our name for the channel. Because the channel name will be changing. I want you guys to know that I'm not giving up makeup. Makeup is always going to be a huge part of my life and who I am. And I'm still going to share that with you guys. It's just going to be in a little bit of a different way. But I will be creating a playlist on my channel that has all my makeup tutorials on it. I'm not taking them down. And I will definitely be adding to them. So don't worry. If you're here only for makeup, that's okay. That's not going anywhere. To stay up to date, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And also, I want you guys to comment down below how long you've been a subscriber of Miss Carrie Makeup and what you're most excited to be a part of moving forward. Alright, so I want you guys to get really excited because I'm really excited about the transition this channel is making. So hang on tight! Guess what? It's gonna be frigging fun. And guess what? I'm gonna yell at you! Okay, you wouldn't understand unless you push your watermelon out of your vagina. Okay.